Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Wednesday, November 22, 2023 on our channel. Airedale launches AireWall ONE. Stimulating consumers' demand for energy efficiency investments. Cold Chain Exhibition Thailand 2024. NIBE acquires Danish LS Control A. Danfoss presented a new ICAD B motorized valve. Johnson Controls awarded DOE grant to accelerate U.S. heat pump manufacturing. U.S. DOE announces million for 9 projects to accelerate electric heat pump manufacturing. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. Airedale launches AireWall ONE. Airedale by Modine, the critical cooling specialists, has announced the launch of AireWall ONE, a fan wall developed in collaboration with the data center industry. AireWall ONE has built-in flexibility, with a parametric design allowing it to be configurable to physical space, and is designed to operate in sustainable facilities that prioritize energy efficiency. AireWall ONE will be manufactured in Spain, the UK and the EU. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Stimulating consumers' demand for energy efficiency investments. Energy efficiency in buildings, industries and products are a key enabler for the ambitious climate ambitions of the EU, and the EC has developed a broad policy foundation for energy efficiency, including legislative instruments such as Eco-Design Regulation, Energy Labeling Framework Regulation, the Energy Efficiency Directive, EED, and the Energy Performance of Buildings Directive, EPBD. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Cold Chain Exhibition Thailand 2024. Cold Chain Exhibition 2024, unveiling the future of refrigeration and temperature-controlled logistics in Asia. Prepare to embark on a journey of innovation and exploration at the Cold Chain Exhibition 2024, set to take place on July 10 to 12, 2024, at the Bangkok International Trade and Exhibition Center, BITEC. As the foremost international exhibition and conference on refrigeration and temperature-controlled logistics in Asia, this event is a pivotal platform for addressing critical challenges faced by the cold chain sector. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. NIBE acquires Danish LS Control A. NIBE Industry or AB has acquired 70% of the shares in Danish LS Control A. The remaining 30% of the shares are to be acquired in 2 stages by 2028 at the latest. LS Control develops, manufactures and sells electronics for control and regulation to customers in the ventilation and heat pump industry. The company also has customers in medical technology, laboratory equipment and professional catering. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Danfoss presented a new ICAD B motorized valve. Designed for a wide range of applications, the ICAD B uses the latest digital connectivity options to simplify setup, installation and operation. With the new ICAD B, we've addressed some of the most relevant pain points for industrial refrigeration professionals, says Alejandro Figueroa Lopez, Head of Product Management, Danfoss Industrial Refrigeration. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Johnson Controls awarded DOE grant to accelerate U.S. heat pump manufacturing. Johnson Controls, the global leader for smart, healthy and sustainable buildings, has been awarded a $1 million grant from the U.S. Department of Energy's DOE, Office of Manufacturing and Energy Supply Chains to help increase domestic production of electric heat pumps by expanding 3 U.S.-based manufacturing sites. Combined, these facilities will be able to produce approximately 200,000 electric heat pumps per year, representing a nearly 200% production increase. Read more the news on our website today. Seventh news today. U.S. DOE announces million for 9 projects to accelerate electric heat pump manufacturing. As part of the Biden-Harris administration's Investing in America agenda, the U.S. Department of Energy, DOE, announced a historic million for 9 projects to accelerate electric heat pump manufacturing at 15 sites across the country. The selected projects are the first awards from DOE's authorization, invoked by President Biden using emergency authority on the basis of climate change, to utilize the Defense Production Act, DPA, to increase domestic production of 5 key clean energy technologies, including electric heat pumps. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.